Welcome. If you're tired of constant pings and message alerts from a specific chat in Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to mute message notifications for a single conversation, so you can enjoy some peace and quiet without missing out on important updates from everyone else. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Scroll through your conversations and tap on the chat you want to mute. This can be with a friend, a family member, or even a group whatever conversation you'd like to silence for now. Once you're inside the chat, look up at the top of the screen and tap the person's name or the group name. This will open the chat's settings menu, where you can customize your experience for just this conversation. Next, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section lets you control how and when you receive alerts from this specific chat. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Messages. Go ahead and toggle this switch off. This action will stop notifications for new messages in this chat, so your phone won't buzz or pop up alerts every time someone sends a message. After you turn off the Messages switch, you'll be asked how long you want to mute notifications. You'll see several options, but for a more permanent solution, select Until I change it. This means notifications will stay muted until you decide to turn them back on. No need to worry about them coming back unexpectedly. And that's it. You've successfully muted message notifications for this chat. You'll still receive messages, and you can check them anytime, but you won't get any alerts until you choose to unmute the conversation. Remember, you can always reverse these steps if you want to start receiving notifications from this chat again. Just head back to the same settings and toggle the Messages switch back on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a break from those non-stop notifications.